Big one.
I'm gonna give you a big man clap. You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
You ready for the man clap? Camera 2, man clap. Andrew used the Surface Pro 4, right? Did you like it?
I use the Surface Book. I
Yeah.
didn't use the Surface Pro though.
Just try it. Editing from this thing, no GPU, but it was a beast and I loved it. But Andrew, I have news for you. In fact, I have TV news for you. It looks like the Surface Pro 5 is coming soon and coming soon in March, according to Digitimes, which admittedly sketchy on the reliability. They're claiming they've got the inside track on the Surface Pro 5. And if you remember, this guy, the 4, launched in October of 2015, which makes it like ancient by computer standards. And we thought that in October 2016, we'd see the Surface Pro 5, but we didn't. We saw the Surface Studio and we saw the redone, performance-based Surface Book. And all the Surface Pro fans were sad face, but I think we can make you a little bit happy. So Digitimes is claiming that Microsoft has given the thumbs up, go ahead, start making stuff to the kinda Transformer villain named company Pegatron. So here's what we know about the Surface Pro 5, or at least what we think we know. It's got a 4K display. The stylus is going to attach magnetically like this version did in previous versions, but it's also going to charge wirelessly directly from the Surface Pro 4. So that's also awesome. Surface Pro 5 is also expected to ship with, of course, Kaby Lake. Microsoft recently showed off Windows 10 running on ARM-based systems, so rumors floating around that maybe the non-Pro version, so Surface 5, will be running off a Qualcomm Snapdragon 635, which give it good battery life, but probably thumbs down at the performance standpoint, but also should cost less. I'd expect the SKUs to come in with 8 gigs of RAM standard and probably up to 32 gigs of RAM crammed into this tiny little tablet thing. But don't just take my word and Digitimes' word. In fact, in Microsoft's Building 88, which I don't know if they have 87 other ones, they are showing what looks to be a Surface Pro silhouette with 2017, and they've got 2 of them. So it looks like probably gonna make sense, Pro, non-Pro versions. I am excited. I think we're gonna see this in March, probably around when the Windows 10 Creators Update is going to hit. Makes sense to launch those simultaneously. That's my synergy together come March, so not that far off. I'm excited for the Surface Pro 5. I've loved the Surface Pro line for, it's about the 3. I think the 3 is when they really started to get it right. So hopefully they get it righter this time around. You guys excited about the Surface Pro 5? You've been waiting for a computer. Did you jump to something else? Did you buy a Surface Book? Let me know down below what you guys are excited about. And if you leave a good comment, we're gonna be pinning it to the top of the comments so everybody can see you and be like, wow, that gentleman or lady is awesome. And we'll be pinning a new one every day or so, so leave something witty. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure your notifications turned on. Until next time, I am John Rettinger. This has been another TB News. Do this a lot. See you guys in the next video. Arm flail.